when I started up my business, I had no clients. I had no clients for a hell of a long time. I started up a professional services firm, and how do I get my first client? I'd come from the city, I hadn't really worked in small business, and I was trying to deal with small business clients and get small businesses. So no one knew me, and secondly, no one trusted me. But what did I have to do to get my first client? I kept plugging and plugging away, trying to build a reputation. I did a lot of public speaking, I went all over the country, and people started to know who I was. And they started to actually like what I was. One client led to two, two led to four, four led to six, six led to 12, and it's self-perpetuated. So if you're at that point where you're starting up your business, you've got 0 clients, 0 customers, that first customer is so important. Keep plugging away, because once you've got that first customer, you build confidence. Not in just selling in them, but most importantly in you. Because once you know you've got 1, you can 2, and you can exponentially grow your client base. Go for it. Don't hesitate, don't stop, and keep making it happen.